What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another haircut tutorial. This is Lynn Cruz the barber, and today we are going to transform a man bun into a pompadour. I will begin by putting his hair into a bun, then using my number 3 guard with the close lever, I will cut the undercut area.
Even get to cross.
Once I'm done with my number 3 guard, I will begin to fade in the nape area using my Andis GTX to begin my first guideline.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
I will now use my Andis shavers to get closer to the skin and clean up any small hairs.
Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like
Using my wall magic clip with an open lever and no guard, I will begin to make my second guideline.
we on. Hating because you want. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate.
I will now play with the lever open and close to blend in my second guideline, using mainly the corners of the blade.
Shoot.
I will begin my third guideline using my wall senior with the half guard open lever.
Didn't even get to cross.
Once I'm done creating my third guideline, I will begin to play with the lever open and close to blend it in with my previous guideline.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
I will now use my number 1 guard with an open lever to create my next guideline. Once again, playing with the lever open and close, I will begin to blend in the guideline with my previous guideline.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar.
I will now use my number 1.5 guard with an open lever to create my next guideline.
In charge. Call me a shooting star.
And again, once I'm done creating my guideline, I will begin to play with the lever open and close to blend it in with my previous guideline. I will now begin to use my clipper over comb technique at a 45-degree angle.
Looking at a shooting star, got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in the rest of.
I want to use my number 2 guard playing with the lever open and closed to try and eliminate any remaining lines.
Shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy.
I will now repeat the same steps. Starting off with my Andes GTX, I will begin my first guideline. I will then go over my first guideline again with the Andes shavers. I like to use my Andes shavers in one direction, either up or down. That way I don't have to surpass my guideline nor leave any hard lines. Then I will begin my second guideline with no guard and the open lever. Once creating my second guideline, I will play with the lever open and closed to blend it in with the first guideline. I will now use my half guard with an open lever to begin my next guideline. Playing with the lever open and closed, I will begin to blend it in with my previous guideline. I will now use my number 1 guard with an open lever to create my next guideline. And once again, playing with the lever open and closed, I will begin to blend it in with my previous guideline. And finally, I will begin to use my 1.5 guard playing with the lever open and closed to blend in the rest of the hair. I will now go back to my previous guards and do any touch-up work as needed.
No, there ain't no stopping us.
I will use my clipper over comb technique to erase any remaining lines.
Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast.
Then I will repeat the same steps on the other side of the head.
Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to bronze. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star, got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in the rest of.
And now for the best part, I will cut off his hair, leaving it at about 4 inches long.
Hating because you want, shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy.
I will now spray some water in the hair. And I usually like to put conditioner in the water, that way it can detangle any knots. And now I will use my shears at a 90-degree angle and cut off at least 1.5 inches more. The first section that I cut will be my guideline, and I will use it to measure how much I need to cut off on the rest of his hair. Since the pompadour tends to have longer hair in the front and shorter in the back, once I reach the crown area, I will begin to cut the rest of the hair at a 45-degree angle. Once I'm done shaping his hair, I will begin to give it some texture, making sure that I pull the hair at a 45-degree angle and only texturizing the ends of the hair. I will start off with the bangs and work my way around. The whole purpose of this is so it won't look so blunt and unnatural. It would give it a feathery finish. You must know the difference between texturizing and thinning out the hair. Though both tools look similar, they do two complete different things. I will now blow dry his hair.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge.
Using my Andes slim lines, I will begin to edge him up all the way around, including his beard.
Didn't even get to bronze.
I will now give him a simple drop part.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave.
I will now use my Easy Blade products to clean his edge up all the way around, starting out with my double edge Easy Blade blades, my Easy Blade razor, and my Easy Blade shaving gel. What I really love about this shaving gel is that a little goes a long way, so I don't really need much, and it also helps the blade glide easily.
Didn't even get to bronze. I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
And there you have it, guys. He went from a man bun to a pompadour with the high taper. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. See you guys next time.